Ever wanted a side hustle, something easy, something profitable, something that doesn't take up too much of your time? Look no further than mealworms. These tiny creatures might just be the answer you're looking for. These little critters are simple to raise. They require minimal care. Just a basic setup, some food, and a bit of attention. Plus, they can bring in some extra cash. Intrigued? You should be. Imagine turning your spare time into a profitable venture. Mealworms are the larval stage of the darkling beetle. They go through a fascinating life cycle. Don't let that scare you. They're harmless to humans. In fact, they can be quite fascinating to observe. In fact, they are super beneficial. They can be used as pet food, composting agents, and even in sustainable farming. We'll dive into that soon. There's so much more to learn about these incredible creatures. But first, let's talk about why mealworms are the perfect side hustle. Low maintenance, high reward. It's a win-win. With just a little effort, you can start your own mealworm farm and watch your profits grow. So who's buying these wriggly wonders? Lots of folks. Pet owners are the biggest fans. Lizards love them. Chickens go bonkers for them. Even fish enjoy a tasty mealworm treat. But it's not just pets. Gardeners use mealworms too. They're great for composting, plus they attract beneficial insects. And get this, humans can eat them too. That's right. Mealworms are a sustainable source of protein. The future is looking bright and a little bit wormy. Ready to start your worm farm? It's an exciting and rewarding journey. It's easier than you think. With just a few simple steps, you'll be on your way to a thriving mealworm farm. All you need are a few plastic bins. These bins will serve as the perfect habitat for your mealworms. Make sure they have good ventilation. Proper airflow is crucial for keeping your mealworms healthy and happy. We don't want any suffocating worms. Ensuring good ventilation will prevent any moisture buildup and keep the environment fresh. Next, you'll need a substrate. This is the material your mealworms will live in and feed on. This is what your worms will live in. Oat bran works great, so does wheat bran. You can even mix them together for variety. You can even add in some dry dog food for extra nutrition. This will help your mealworms grow strong and healthy. Spread it out in the bins. Make sure the substrate is evenly distributed to provide a comfortable living space for your mealworms. Now your worms have a comfy place to call home. With these simple steps, you're well on your way to successful mealworm farming. Happy farming. Section 4. Easy breezy worm care. They practically raise themselves. Welcome to the easiest part of your worm farming journey. Here's the best part. Mealworms practically raise themselves. These little critters are incredibly low maintenance. They need very little care. You don't have to worry about them too much. Just keep their substrate slightly moist. Not too wet though. A light misting every few days should do the trick. We don't want to drown our little buddies. They thrive in a balanced environment. Feed your worms some fruits and veggies every few days. Think apple cores, banana peels, and other kitchen scraps. Potato peels, carrot tops. They love a variety of organic matter. They're like tiny garbage disposals. They help reduce waste and turn it into valuable compost. Every week or so, give them a fresh bed of substrate. That's it. This keeps their environment clean and healthy. Told you it was easy. With minimal effort, you can maintain a thriving mealworm farm. Happy farming. Section 5. Show me the money selling your wormy wonders. Once your worms are multiplying like crazy, it's time to cash in. Pet stores are always looking for live feeders. You can also sell online. Platforms like eBay and Craigslist are great options. Don't forget about local bird watchers and chicken owners. They're always on the hunt for high-quality treats. And if you're feeling adventurous, explore the human food market. Mealworm flour is becoming increasingly popular. Section 6. Mealworm millionaires, start your empire today. So there you have it. Raising mealworms is easy, fun, and profitable. With a little effort, you can turn these little critters into a steady stream of income. Who knows? Maybe you'll become the next mealworm millionaire. Get started today and join the worm revolution. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you for watching.